Coming up on Space for Living, we head to Vancouver to see a remarkable home, its smart design at its best. And I'm Maura Grierson in Vancouver. Filmmaker Murray Seipel searched for 2 years before he found his home here. He had a list of what he wanted, including a 50s-style ranch house with a view of the city on a level cul-de-sac. Why so many stipulations? Well, this city dweller wanted to renovate his home with a very specific goal in mind. As a quadriplegic, he wanted to be able to live in a beautiful, well-designed space independently. Well, Murray certainly achieved his goal and then some. It's a beautiful home, and it's all coming up today on Space for Living. On the mountainous terrain of Vancouver, filmmaker Murray Seipel's quest for a flat house on a flat street was a challenging one. But Murray's used to challenges. An extreme sports enthusiast, Murray's exhilarating lifestyle was sidelined by a car accident in 1996. As a C6 quadriplegic, Murray has some upper body mobility and use of his arms, but cannot use his hands or lower extremities. It was important to Murray that he be able to maintain an independent life, and his award-winning house, which he helped design, allows him to do just that.
I started sitting down with the architect just so we could exchange ideas on what we liked and build a relationship that way. If you go to a typical kitchen shop or hardware store, nothing's made for a C6 quadriplegic. So you had to redesign everything from the scratch.
So Murray, what have you incorporated in the design of your kitchen to make this work better for you?
To work for the wheelchair the best, there was a lot of things, like there had to be like a little kick underneath the cupboard so my feet and the wheelchair, this part of the wheelchair didn't like bang into the cupboards.
Oh yeah.
So when you go near them, it's scratching stuff.
Okay.
The handles are perfect for my hands. I can grab onto the edges and pull them out.
Oh, here are the dishes, all right.
And the cupboards come all the way out, so it's easy to reach in.
To get to the back.
Get to the back, yeah.
Perfect.
And
you seem pretty organized, Murray.
Yeah, all the levels of the cupboards are sort of so I can reach everything. And so there's things like this here too, like under the microwave, there's an extending counter, so it can take something from your lap, plunk it there, open the door.
I love that.
And then slide it in, and then slide it back out.
I could use this. These are just some great ideas that everyone can use.
Again, because I have problems lifting heavy things, I can just bring a pot here and set it there, and then use this to fill up the pot right here.
It's a beautiful kitchen. I love it. Murray's living room was also custom designed to fit his wheelchair needs while maintaining the sleek look of the house. And here's a neat idea as well. You've got your beautiful hardwood floor and right into this carpet. Obviously really easy for you to wheel over too.
Yeah, that was the purpose. If it's a loose carpet, like one that you just lay on the floor, when you turn your wheelchair, it would bind underneath. So I had to have it inlaid and set in there. And we put this metal strip, aluminum strip along the bottom, so when you're going from the carpet to the hardwood, the wheelchair wheels wouldn't wear out the hardwood eventually from running over it.
Okay.
So it turned out to look good, and it's functional.
I'm really excited to see your office. It's
Okay.
over here, right?
Yeah.
All right, lead the way.
Okay. This is the office area, so I want it to look a little different than the rest of the house.
And you've got windows on every single wall.
Yep. Yeah, I used to live in Whistler and always be out in the mountains, and it's not so easy anymore, so here I can sit here and work, and I'm right amongst the trees and up on a cliff.
So this is the master bedroom. great cabinets.
Thank you. Yeah, these are another wheelchair design piece, so I can reach in and get my clothes easy.
Yeah, that's great.
Something else in non-wheelchair accessible houses, you can't reach to get your clothes down.
Right, and this is such beautiful wood. I love it.
Yeah, it's mahogany. Most of the cabinets in the house are mahogany. And yeah, there's lots of room around the bed and everywhere to spin the wheelchair around.
Well, that's great. Well, let's spin it around and check out the bathroom.
Okay. In here, I have a roll-in shower and a bathtub, a hydrotherapy tub that you can wrap this around you and it lowers you into the tub. So you can have a bath.
And is this something that you can do yourself?
Everything I can do myself, which is a big thing because before, when I was first hurt, I had to have someone come help me 4 hours a day. And now I don't need any help. That's one of the good things about this house. I can just do everything myself. Here at home, everything's perfect. I can get everywhere, reach everywhere, do everything on my own. And the wheelchair sort of doesn't become relevant to me anymore because I just feel like I'm not injured, I'm not in a wheelchair. And that's the best thing about this house.
And goodbye from Vancouver. We'll see you next time on Space for Living.